Hello everybody and welcome back to the Rattle and Roll Performance YouTube channel. You're here with Nikki today and we're going to look at two tunes on the recorder towards the end of book one now because you're getting super good. So really well done if you've kept up all that practice by using all of our other videos online. So if you are a beginner, go back to lesson 1 or lesson 2 and you can follow all the lessons through on our channel. So today we're going to look at these two, which are two brilliant ones. First one we're going to look at is Who Built the Ark? So let's have a little look at it. And there's 4 beats in the bar, can you see? And then we've got, look at this note here, it's got a funny little tail on it, so it's a quaver, so it's a run note. So we've got Who Built the Ark? Then we've got a squiggly rest, so we do nothing there. And look, they're tied together, these ones, remember we've got to slur them. Noah, Noah, who built the ark? Brother Noah built the ark. And then we've got the verse now. We've got, now didn't old Noah build the ark? Build it out of a hickory bark. Then we go back to the beginning. Who built the ark? Noah, Noah, who built the ark? Brother Noah built the ark. Next verse, and can you see we've got verse 2 and we've got verse 3. So we've got run, walk, off. Walk, 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 walk. Run, walk, running, walk. Okay, that's the first line. And let's just have a look at what note we are on. So looking at the bottom, every good boy deserves football. That's how we remember the notes on the lines. So the bottom line would be every, which is an E. Look, there's an E. And then the next line up is a G. Every good boy deserves football. So every good, that's a G. So it goes G, G, then we go down to an E, every, and then dangling down below the line is a D. D for dangling down, okay? Then here, look, the first note we ever started with, B, A, B, A. G, G, E, D. Then we've got, so it's in the space now, so we've got F, A, C, E, spells face, starting at the bottom, and the C note is sitting in that space. So it's the bottom space is an F, the next space up is an A, just like that one, and then we're on a C. So we've got C, C, B, B, A, G. Brilliant. Now looking at the verse. What's that one? I hear you all cry, dangling D. Well done. D, G, G, B, B. It's a bit confusing there. Just ignore those little notes. They're to help you fit the extra words in, but don't worry too much about that. B, B, and look down to a every good. G, G, up to a every good boy. B, tied together. So you hold that one. B, off. Then you've got your G, G, G. Then you've got your B, B, G, G, B, A, G, G, and it's tied at the end. So you've got your quavers down to a minim, which is 2. Then you hold it. Da capo, DC means, so you have to go back to the beginning. And eventually, after you've done the 3rd verse with your da capo, then you do the chorus again, and then fine. You'll never guess what that means. It means finish. Then you stop there. Okay, so fine and da capo. So let's have a little go now at Who Built the Ark. I've got the backing track here. If you want to perhaps pause me and go back, you can practice going through that one slowly. In fact, I'll go through it with you once and then we can play it with the backing track. So we've got, don't forget, left hand at the top. Lefty, 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 always left hand at the top, okay? So we've got G, G, E, D. I was on the wrong note, sorry. G, G, E, D. Do that again. Then we've got B, A, B, A, and they're slurred. Tie them together. G, G, E, D. C, C, B, B, A, G. That's your chorus. Rewind me. Practice that again. Here comes your verse. D. There's your D, 3 and 3. D, G, G, B, B. G, G, B. G, G, B, G, G. This is easy. B-A-G-G. First two are slurred. Verse is super easy. Hooray. And then it goes back to the beginning, and then we do the second verse, and then the chorus, and then the third verse. Chorus to the finish. Got it? I hope so. Right then. Who built the ark? Are we ready? Noah, Noah. Here we go. Ready? Off we go. And it finished, and I forgot to finish, sorry. Fine means finish. Well done, I hope that was okay. So that's Who Built the Ark, which is a really nice one and hopefully not too difficult. Next one, oh I love this one, Mockingbird. So I'm sure lots of you know this one already. So we've got, hush little baby, don't say a word, Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. It's really lovely, this one. So, quick look at the rhythm. So we've got walk, running, walk, 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 running slowly. Running, running, walk, running, walk, walk slowly. See if you can do this line with me. Ready? Walk, 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 walk slowly. What's this? Running, running, walk, running, walk, walk slowly. Let's look at the notes. Dangling. So it must be a D. D, B, 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 A, A, A. Easy peasy. D, D, A, B, A, G, G. Okay, not too bad. What's this one? Good. D. What's this one? First note we learnt right in the middle. B, 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 A, D, D, A, B, A, G, G. And that's it. Quite easy, this one. Are you ready? Go through it left hand at the top, everybody, please. Thank you. So, hush. So D, B, 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 B. B, A. D, D, A, B, A, G, G. D, B, 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 A, D, D, A, B, A, G, G. Right, rewind me. You know the score. Rewind me, practice it, then we can play. Ready? 2, 3, go. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed those ones. Keep practicing, please. And if you subscribe to our Rattle and Roll YouTube channel, then you will not miss on any of the songs that we do. And there's lots more coming. Really, really well done today. And I hope to see you soon. Well done. Bye-bye.